Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It's basically Halloween, so fuck it, we'll be on today. How's it going? It is Monday, October 30th of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. How are y'all doing today? Let me say hi to everyone who's here. Looks like JJMC was first today. Hello, hello. We've also got, I think that's Beldothus. Yes, it's Beldothus. And Marsha. Hello, hello. Welcome back to both of you. Walker Codes is also here. And we have a notification to replay, and I forgot to open my notifications. So we're going to do that real quick. Boop. We've got Walker Codes, who has resubbed at 32 months. It's good to see you again. Welcome back, Walker Codes. Hello, hello. The Armchair General is also here as well. Yes. And Jerome is also here. Hello, hello. Who just caught a shiny Rayquaza. That's pretty cool. That's good to hear. And Shmuel's also here. Hello, hello. All right, so the plan for today is I have a few tiny things to do. And this is really hot and sweaty, so I don't know how long the hood's going to stay up or how long the buttons are going to stay on, but that's the way things go. But we got a few open source things to work on, and then we're going to try and get back into automating raids. I'm drinking my cookie beer again. Lock my face. There we go. Oatmeal cookie. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. So yeah, that's the plan. I don't think the open source stuff is going to last very long, so we'll probably jump into the computer vision stuff quickly. So I was thinking about this a little bit, and actually no, we'll get to the raid stuff when we get to the raid stuff. Let's just jump into things. So right now it's just trying to find Pokemon that I care about at the moment. It's not doing the raid at all. I've just been manually playing the raids, or in most cases manually not playing the raids, because I think I'm pretty good at identifying whether it's shiny or not without playing the raid, and we would really only play the raid to be very, very certain of the shininess. But I don't know, we'll look into that. Also from what I understand, it's going to take an extremely long time to get a shiny Pokemon from this method, like months months of time, because I get an encounter like every 7 date skips, and a date skip takes about, let's say, 20 seconds. Let's say it's 1 in every 6 date skips and it takes 20 seconds. So we get a shiny every 2 minutes, or we get an encounter every 2 minutes, sorry. So 2 minutes times, well, that's not even the encounter, that's any encounter every 2 minutes. I'm looking for, let's see, how many 4-star, how many 3-star raids are in Scarlet and Violet? Oh, this doesn't help us. Fortunately, we can JavaScript this. Inspect. What do you have a class name? TD class equals Pokemon. All right. Document dot query selector all td dot pkmn dot length. Holy fuck. Oh, but that also includes the Kitakami ones. Oh shit, not what I wanted. Let me delete this node, this whole table. Delete. Then we'll try this query again. Okay, so there's 154 of those. Let's see about 4-star. So keeping notes here. 154 plus Kitakami. Let's delete this table too. Delete element. And then, oh wait, I did it backwards. I deleted the non-Kitakami ones. Whoops. But that tells me the Kitakami ones are going to be faster. Interesting. Okay, I want to delete this table. Let's try that now. Delete console. Okay, 186. And then I'm not even going to count the 6 stars because they're so unlikely, but we will look at the 5 stars. And I know, I said I was going to do the open source stuff first, but I'm jumping into this. I'm just spitballing here. All right, delete console 198. Holy fuck. All right, so that's our denominator. And our numerator is how many? Where's my little spreadsheet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's a 3% chance of getting what we want. Which is 1 in 36-ish. Okay, so there's one every 2 minutes. 2 minutes times 36 times 4103. This is our expected time to encounter one shiny Pokemon via this method. 205 days. Jet Sancho, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, so that's pretty bad. That's abysmally slow. So maybe I won't do this. And in theory, I could run this on 2 switches at once, which would get us down to 100 days. And actually, I have 3 switches I could run this on, which would get it down to 70 days. No, wait, I have 4 switches I could run this on. So I could get it down to about 50 days. Which is pretty bad. To get it within a month, how many would I need? I'm not buying more switches, by the way. But I would need 7 switches running continuously for a month. Buy more GPUs, AK, so just scaling out shiny hunting. Hey, what's up, little Concon? Hello, hello. So this is kind of telling me that I shouldn't even attempt this, because that number is just too big, and the error rate from what I've been doing so far makes it even worse. So maybe I won't be attempting this. As much fun as I've had trying to get the first part of this working. Ah, that's so disappointing. I sense, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Okay, anyway, the thing that I was gonna do first day is review a PR. The issue is the 4103, you gotta get that down. Yeah, well, it turns out all the Pokemon are more than full odds here. Hi, Tina. Also, hi, Spyro and Elfenrod. Good to see you again. D-Dolls was also here. What are we giving up on doing? So, maybe giving up on something. So I did the math on the Scarlet Violet raids, and it takes about 2 minutes to get an encounter. And for every encounter I get, it's about a 1 in 36 chance of getting a Pokemon I care about. A quitter. And then the shiny chance is 1 in 4103. Wait, why are you leaving me? I was explaining it to you, Tina. So the expected value is 205 days. I don't think I want to run a Switch for 205 days straight. And it's only going to get worse as I encounter more Pokemon. So like if I'm looking for exactly one Pokemon, like if I get it down to the last Pokemon, it is expected value of 8.4 years. Maybe I'll just do the Kitakami ones. Let's see what those ones look like. Maybe it's not so bad in just the DLC land. So let's delete the top table this time. He says he's been running a Switch for over 205 days in the last year. I don't think that's quite correct. It's pretty close though. Which one? Well, the new one I got for at Rivals, right? Where are you going? Are you going to Stream Remember? You hate fun? I'm the one that hates fun? What? Oh, that's why you're mopey. Cause you want to give me whiskers? Convince chat to give me whiskers.
That's already happened.
Convince. All right, chat. What do we have to do to get me whiskers? Standard Robot. Hello, hello. Thank you for this. Lovekey's also here. Hello. Convinced? Absolutely convinced. Should I make them pay and give subs first? Oh what? I don't want whiskers. I'm already wearing an absurd onesie. Yeah, but it's way too sweaty. Okay, if I look at this instead, it is 2 out of this big number. So 1 in 70, that's not better. It's worse. So if I just did Kitakami, it's still 1.1 years. What's the minimum for TTS? I don't know if I should give away the answer, but it's the same as the minimum for bits. S1 Cube, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. The Solo Rogue, welcome, welcome. How do you make money to eat and live as an open source programmer? You don't. You fucking starve. What is a whisker? You don't even know? Oh, it's facial hair that's usually on cats. Yeah, the way to make money in an open source job is to get a day job. Oh look, there's the mine buttcoin button. Okay, anyway, this is the first patch, and if this works, I'm gonna cherry pick this to the other Pigments plugins I have. I actually don't completely understand what this is about. The Solo Rogue, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Alright, we mined buttcoin, or the buttcoin is in the process of mining. It's the holy grail question, so Anthony can go 8-5 streaming? Yeah. I would love to stream full time. Well, that's a strange one. Oh, because I've limited it to Tox 4 for some reason. And it is defaulting to 312. Ah, kill me. Alright, well, we're gonna good code change like a ghost. Pigments pie test. Oh, did my internet die? Vito says, I don't know if you saw, but Iowa is letting go of the problem in their football program. Is that they're firing their coach? GitHub status. Seems up to me. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, worked that time. Get remote. Actually, let's figure out why it needed Tox4. Almost certainly it's due to. Actually, I don't know why. Oh, it's because of this. It's because of this. Literally, I can put the word Python in front of this and it'll work. I think. Yeah, because it's just Python script. Welp. That's dumb. It's really dumb. Actually, let's just run it. Tox-e push. Failed passive cannot contain values. Stupid. Stupid ass thing. Stupid old thing. Firing the offensive coordinator. Oh. Okay, stream's still fine. We're good. This is gonna crash immediately after this, I think. Is not allowed. Use allow list externals. It's not an external. I don't know why. Really annoying that that this got regressed. Fanatics. Hello, hello, welcome. Not on GitHub Actions or Travis, yeah. Tox4. No, Tina was gonna draw whiskers on my face for the stream so that I could be a better cat. Cat, dog, whatever the fucking Umbreon is. It's to improve the costume. Wallace, hello, welcome back. How you doing? I feel like it's a little small for stream. Bump up the size a little bit. I don't think Umbreons have whiskers. Oh, they don't? Even better. Yeah, there's no whiskers on an Umbreon. There you go. I'm doing well. The funky keyboard navigates code without a mouse. He's one of the great sages. I mean, I use the mouse. I use the mouse a lot. They're on the forehead oval? No, there's no whiskers to be had. We don't. We're good. Do I have more Pigments plugins other than this? Have you seen the Keychron Q11? Is that the one that somebody showed me on stream? Keychron Q11. Is this the gamer split? No, this is the other one. Yeah, someone showed this. Yeah. Alright, so we can... Oh, I need to do the little setting here so that I can rebase with the thingy thing. This one. And then refresh. And then rebase. Oh, I logged in my password manager. Nice. Merge this one. This should pass now. In theory. Sick. Do. So I guess as a feature. Sure. Boop. So the other thing we could do instead of automating raids is I want to do a really difficult automation in Legends Arceus that would be faster. But I don't really... I think it would be really hard. Okay. Said can't read. Gotta do everything manually. Stir object. Something tells me this is not parallel safe. But hey, surely they'll figure that out, not me. Yeah, this is not... This doesn't feel parallel safe. I actually don't know how this works. But... they'll figure it out. I do want to... Oh, wait a minute. Never mind. Ezekiel, hello, hello. Welcome back. What was the pre-commit command? I just ran pre-commit. But I probably also ran pre-commit run all files. David Fernandez said pizza makes you wear onesies the next day. No, it's as close to Halloween as we're gonna get. So this is your Halloween treat. Pre-commit is the same as pre-commit run, which is the same as pre-commit run, hook stage, pre-commit. They all do the same thing. Yeah. No, 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 no. We'll just cut this whole damn thing because authored by cool. Why did it? Oh, does GitHub strip that from here? Interesting. Did not know. Triftone, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Parallel reading of source files can be used when the extension is loaded. Specifies if parallel writing of output files can be used when the extension is loaded. Unclear. Unclear, but you know what? They understand this better than I do, so I will just trust. Minor. Bloop. And bloop. Oh, I don't even have to do that. What am I doing? Okay, so, what do we want to do, chat? We'll do a little poll here. Either we automate Scarlet Violet raids anyway, or I try and automate. I can't even do that on stream because it takes 30 minutes to get one encounter. Fuck, I don't even know what to do. Well, there goes my entire stream. I'm just like demotivated from my stream idea. Also, I'm really hot, so I gotta take the hood off because it's a bajillion degrees in there. Ayland? Nah, that project's dead. That project is super dead. I have like absolutely no motivation to work on linters anymore. Because someone's just gonna port it to Rust. Okay, one thing that I wanted to do, that we're just gonna do, is I wanted to make setup tools download able to build wheels for other platforms. I don't know how hard that's going to be, but I kind of want to try. It's gonna be tricky. Let's see. Cross compiling wheels. Is there a thing for this already? My guess is no. Cross env. Can't solve all the problems of cross compiling. How does this thing work? Does it just monkey patch the system platform modules? Because that's all I was gonna do. Oh, let's make sure this isn't GPL garbage before I start looking at it. Okay, it's MIT. Init template utils. Holy fuck, 1,000 lines. Great. That can't be good. Holy Christ. What? Okay, this is all like for assigning compiler stuff. Maybe this idea is not worth it. This seems way more complicated than I thought it was going to be. Because I was just going to reassign sys and hope that everything else works. Yeah, fuck it. I think I'm just going to merge this. Yeah. Oh, cool thing about this pull request is MyPy just merged support for this. So the next version of MyPy, I'll be able to rewrite unpack to splat. I don't like the new GitHub symbols thing. Dude, the latest GitHub update has me pissed off in so many ways. There used to be a nice little pulls link up at the top here that I would click like 30 times a day. And now I have to go over to this stupid menu, wait for this animation to happen, then hunt for this link in here, which isn't actually a link. It's a button. So I can't middle click on it? Oh, I can middle click on it. When they first released this, I couldn't middle click on it because it was a button. But that's how I have to get to this page, which is really fucking annoying. Their symbols thing is like really fucked up too. Let's see if I can find a pull request that has an example. Does this have a failing test? No. Oh, it might have a code-cov unhit patch thing, which will demonstrate this just as well. It doesn't. That's my change. Failing because npm was down. This is probably also failing. No, 4 second. Maybe this will have annotations. I need to find one with fucking annotations. Nope, this one doesn't either. This looks like a spam PR. What the fuck is this? Yeah, this is 100% a spam PR. Why does this username sound familiar? Yeah, what the fuck is this? Yeah, this looks like Hacktoberfest spam. Ah, fuck, I closed the tab I was looking at. I promise I will find you one of these PRs. Crow, hello, hello, how you doing? Pull request button? Oh. Okay, maybe I can stop complaining then. This is not obvious at all. Why would I ever click on these buttons? Okay, fine. Maybe I can stop complaining about that one then. Okay, but the symbols. We gotta find a failing pull request, which has annotations. I already look at this one. 2 out of 11. There's no way it's that one. It wasn't there in the first version? Mm. Do you have failing tests? Okay, this one has failing tests, I think. Which should... Okay, yeah. Are you ready for this? So we got failing tests with annotations in here. And GitHub must just have not tested this feature at all. Because look. These are all symbol lookups. Including the number 3. And all of the code in here. And some of them, if you click on, like, the white space will get fucked up. Well, we saw it when I clicked on GitHub here. Yeah. Oh, is it just if you mouse over them? But yeah. they clearly, you know, they clearly tested this feature. What the fuck is happening here? Yeah, exactly. I mean, normally you can click on symbols and it'll tell you like symbol information, but I literally never want that. I'm always almost always like clicking on stuff just to like mark my spot where I'm like talking about something, and like the stupid pop-up lags and pops in. It's just like I don't want this at all. I don't give a fuck about your search. Just like leave me alone. Perhaps if they added a little more JavaScript, it'd be fixed. Yeah. Beta. This has been in beta for years. Calling it beta is just their cop out. Have you seen their multi-line selective code select? Oh, the like when you want to comment this thing? I haven't had any problems with this. I haven't had any problems with this, but I also don't use it very often, so I also don't know. On the normal code page? Where's the file that's long? I don't know what you mean. Like, I know you can do this, and that works. Oops, caps locked. Look at the URL. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, what is this shit? You can do per character select? How did you make this URL? How did you make this URL? How did you do this? What button do I press? Oh, you just click in the bounds? What the fuck? It doesn't always work. Oh, you gotta click on the line number. That's funky. I have not seen this before. That's so weird. I don't really like that. Damn. Learned 2 things already? Well, they're sure. Hate it because if you don't select the full line, it gives you the shitty partial select thing. Yeah, I usually just do the like the the line numbers directly and then shift, and that works pretty well. Learn 2 new things beta, says Pythonic Pie. Yeah, precisely. All right, well, fuck. The plan for today was something that's gonna not be done. I'm just gonna let this script run and then stop, because I am not gonna actually implement the rest of the code for that. Oh, but there were some good factors in it, weren't there? Like, what did I change here? Yeah, it's probably not worth it. This sprites thing was really fucking cool, though. So I might keep that just because, it's kind of cool. Does that work in PR reviews? I didn't comment to a part of the line. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I've done before. Is the script too slow or is the game too slow? It's the game. I mean, I don't. The theoretical minimum for the script would only change slightly. The only way I could do it better is if I could, and I don't even think that would be. I think the only way that it would be better is if I could navigate around the map and visit all the raid crystals. Which maybe I could make a self-driving car in Pokemon, which is essentially what I would have to do. But that seems hard. That seems really hard. I don't even... Like, it's hard enough to play the game manually. I don't even know how I do it as a script. Aussie Boy says, have you tried LazyGit? Orbital terminal UI for Git command. No. No, I don't need that. I can just use Git. I'm good enough at using Git that I don't need a special thing. More AI like the chatbot? I mean, like, in theory, you can kind of... Like, you can kind of see the map, and you could probably navigate around. The problem is you're going to run into Pokemon all the time. And the flying in the game isn't very good. If the flying were better, then maybe I can do it. So maybe after DLC 2 I can do it. Because apparently there's going to be better flying. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But I think this idea is kind of dead. Which is a bummer, because it was going to be kind of cool, but when I look at the expected time, I'm just like, nah. I'm going to commit it to a branch, though. Wait, offline. This is going to not going to conflict. Expected value for this approach is 1 in 205 plus days. It probably not. Sandbags. Shed Dev, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Yeah. Dr. Python we get today. I thought not Mr. Python. We're Dr. Python today. Damn. Okay, fuck. I don't know what to work on. Let's see what I've got on my to-do list. None of these sound good. You look like you just like you got a PhD. The Gel Mega, hello. How you doing? Good to see you. Oh, I don't like being this not very far into a stream and already being demotivated. None of these product ideas are really inspiring. I don't know, was there something cool in PyUpgrade to work on? Oh wait, there was something in Babi that I wanted to fix. Maybe we'll work on Babi. Wow, this would be kind of cool. Yeah, we'll just do the one thing that I was thinking about in Babi. So I was looking at this code for manipulating a switch from memory. I'll just show you what's broken, and then it's a very easy fix. Actually, wasn't somebody already working on this? Anyway, we'll let me make sure that somebody wasn't already working on this. Nothing there. I'm amazed no one has fixed this yet. I run into this every once in a while. Maybe we'll fix that too. Maybe today will be a Babi day. Hooray! All right. So the problem is this a file that's fucked up here? No. This file that's fucked up here? No. Alright, here's a file that's fucked up. Are we in 2020 again? I know it's Babi streams, right? Did you say you wanted to put yes QA into Flake8? I did, yeah. But I'm probably also not going to work on Flake8 very much anymore. So I don't know how long that's going to be. So the top of this file is fucked. Can anyone guess why this file is fucked? It's just the first line. This file is a properly encoded UTF-8 file. So it's not any UTF-16 bullshit. Not a vertical tab. It's a good guess though. Byte order marker. Jelmega's got it. Yes, this person has put an unnecessary UTF-8 byte order marker at the top of their UTF-8 file. And for those of you, actually, I haven't done a video on this, have I? No. What are your idea, bomb? So byte order marker is relevant in UTF-16, which has both a little endian and big endian format. Which also seems stupid to me because it's just fucking saved on disk, and like you shouldn't care about the endian format when your disk is just gonna give you back the bytes in the order that the bytes are. Like the disk doesn't give a shit about what order they're in. But anyway, for dumb reasons, there's byte order markers in UTF-16 for little endian and big endian UTF-16. And due to like who fucking knows why, there was also a byte order marker added for UTF-8, but UTF-8 can only have one byte order because it is a single byte. Well, it effectively is a single byte encoding, because the chunk that it uses is a single byte. Oh, all right. Well, we're gonna do one raid, and then I'm gonna turn off that switch. I watched this one be shiny. There's no way. So give me 1 sec. We'll slap this up. I'm gonna be playing with the terminal. And we're gonna use a very broken Pokemon for this. Mr. Iron Hands. So give me a sec. Challenge alone. And so this Pokemon is shiny if it's purple. It's not gonna be shiny. It's gonna be blue. So yeah. Who uses big endian? Does anyone actually use big endian systems? Is that a thing? And not shiny. Kind of hard to tell from that view, but I've seen enough of these that I know it's not shiny. But yeah, it would have to be purple. And it's not purple, it's blue. Dad Potato. Kagsit! Hello, hello. How you doing? We're gonna belly drum. And not died acrobatics. Also, I've learned that offline rates are a little bit buggy and that they don't show the damage you take. But now that I've belly drummed once, we can one-shot it with Drain Punch. Actually, it might be a two-shot. There's a few older systems that were updated. UTF-16 defaulted to big endian rather than little endian. Oh, fuck. That sucks. Oh shit, that did less damage than I expected it to. Also, did it remove all the stat buffs? No? Maybe? Battle, drain punch, this guy. Wolfred, hello, hello. How you doing? You're just here for the taco meat. Well, you've got special taco meat today. You got onesie taco meat. Oh, did it just bulk up? Oh, that kind of sucks. Let me see the back. The tail? Sure. Yeah, I waggled my tail for you. You're welcome. Butt looking voluptuous? Well, not a $5 word there. Okay, I should be able to oh, maybe not still. I was hoping to terrastalize at some point. But it must have done the thing where it steals my Terra energy. God, these take forever. Anyway, I'm only winning it because I can get nice items from it, and then I'll just shut off the game. The byte order marker is missing. RFC recommends that Big Endian is assumed? Big Endian is assumed? That's some garbage. Why would it assume? Why would it assume Big Endian? Side note, today I found out Lady Gaga is very attractive. Is she? I actually don't know what she looks like, to be honest. Lady Gaga. Oh, great spelling there. I mean, she looks fine. Her face is a interesting shape. Drugs. I don't fucking know. Not my type. Do you know the default encoding for application JSON in HP11 is ASCII? Was application JSON even in HP11? We know your type, it's very clear? What? What is that supposed to mean? What the fuck? I have never gotten that much Herba Mystica from one raid. That's insane. That's a 3 Herba raid. Apparently they can go up to 10, but I've never seen more than 1. So that's kind of nutty. That's kind of nutty. I guess we continue raiding. I mean, meh. Anything to get high tonight? Oh yeah, my Herba. Tony? Yeah, because I had my alcohols. Yeah, but no, I'm just gonna save and turn it off. Then be pretty sad about it, but... Or should I turn it on just for the Lamaus? We can turn it on just for the Lamaus. C? L? I hope this is a good enough spot. I found the ultimate class, 20 mix-ins. My god, there's some of that bullshit at work. Pisses me off. Someone copy and pasted another test and they were like, oh, I saw this in a different file and I thought it was the right way to do this. I'm like, what world would this be the right way to do things? No model named O. Yeah. All right. We'll run the raids just so there's something. Just so there's something going down there. A task management system. It was just threads. Oh god. Okay. So we're gonna try and fix this bug in Babi. Yay, Babi! Add support for backward. Oh, this was Kixit. Did you ever finish that Kixit? Did it end up working? Did I end up merging that? I don't even fucking remember. No. I also don't think this got there either. Yeah, did not. Who Banana says, saw the byte order marker message. Is there a way to ignore the byte order markers with the standard CSV package? You can open your file with UTF-8 SIG. Or you can... I don't fucking know. I don't know. I have no idea. You can tell your data provider to stop giving you garbage. I think I'm just going to strip it. If I see this character, I'm just going to get rid of it. What's the best way to test this? What is the best way to test this? Is Tita in the corner? No, she's downstairs. I think she's I think she's unhappy because I wouldn't let her draw whiskers on my face for stream. But I don't know. I will have to figure that out when I fill up my water. I don't even remember the best way to test this is. I guess we can just test file. I don't know. You wanted to turn you into a furry. No. No, there's no furry, no furry happening here. Oh, she wanted to turn you into a furry. I don't think that's the thing either. Where the fuck is... God, it's been so long since I've worked on this. I don't even remember where the part is. Somewhere in here. Is it in here? Open settings. Oh, yeah. It is here. Yeah. Get lines. It's in here. Mixed. New line. Oh, we need a new setting, don't we? When people say you furries, does it imply the sexual part? I swear to God, nowadays, seems everything is sex related. Are there, I mean, I'm ignorant. Are there furries that are not for the sex part? Cause every furry that I know, yeah, it was a sex thing. but also a lifestyle thing. I grew up when the internet first came out. Everything I say is ignorant at this point. Yeah. I thought fur equals dress as animals. My understanding was yes, that is part of it, but the point is more as a sexual plus lifestyle thing, and that the idea is that you become the animal, and that you act on your animalistic urges. Oh, did it actually look at that right? It did. Okay, so it is working. Nirum says, I'm 99.9% sure my friend does this for the anonymity and not the sexual part. Interesting. Interesting. Alright, so what do we do here? I'm never going to write a file with a byte order marker. I don't think I should support one with a byte order marker. So I'm completely fine stripping a byte order marker from the first line. So let's write a test for this. Test. Could write a unit test, but I kind of want an integration test. I don't know what it's gonna look like. Actually, we could just do it. We could just see what it renders as. How do you make a named session in Tmax? -L. Tmax -L wat. Babi. Babi T. And then Tmax capture pane -L wat. -T0 TP -PT0? -B0? -P? Unknown option L. Oh. Maybe Tnox -L wat? Oh, there we go. And -2. A little unclear. We could just do tail -1 as well. It just renders it as a space. Okay. Tmux expert. Yeah, because I use it to run my Pokemon scripts and to capture the output of what's getting rendered here. Oh, it's rendering it as Pearl. Interesting. Walker Crowd says, gotta sign off. Enjoy the non-whisker stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. There goes my Babi usage. Sad day. Why do you use a byte order marker? I saw a resume yesterday. A person had over 100 skills listed. I mean, I could probably qualify for 100 skills, but goddamn, that seems overkill. Alright, this seems fine. Does it really save? Oh, we can add a little boolean. I one skill, but it shows up as hundreds. Bullshitting. 1 reading code, 2 reading code, understanding code. Yeah. Test byte order marker. I don't even what is the byte order marker? EFBB BB. EFBBBF. EFBB BF. Run, stir FSH and exit H. Okay, it should be a failing test in 2 ways. The person had listed 90 Excel type skills. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, the file's not modified and it has a weird white space here. This one doesn't show the byte order marker, but it's the fake one that doesn't know any better. Okay. If lines 0 starts with, what is the fucking byte order marker? UFAFF. If mixed. If BOM status. Oh, what if it's byte order marker and mixed? Codex dot. No, that has the raw bytes, which I guess I could get back to the code. It's kind of neat. Byte order marker order will be removed. F. Oh, that's really annoying. Oh, there's so many of these calls. That one works. What is load file? Oh, I see. I see. My iPad is probably angry. Oh, let's go to install it first. Right, we got Google here as well. Sorry, this is off screen. Just trust. Invalid. Line too long. Yeah, that makes sense. Too many values to unpack. Reload. Oh. That's annoying, because if the status is too long, it just doesn't render. Damn. This makes me think that I actually kind of need, that I actually kind of need, more information here. Also, why did I do it like this? Oh, because stuff has to happen. You know what? We're just gonna... We're not gonna modify byte order marker. We're just gonna make the renderer handle it, maybe. How are the people here to do maintenance? Yeah. It's 2020 in Babby strings and 2020 in Pokemon. Is it? I don't even know. I don't think I did any Pokemon automation in 2020, or at least not much. And it certainly was way less sophisticated. Oh, the game? No, this is Scarlet and Violet. This is 2021, at least. I was work today. I had meetings all fucking day. But I'm forking Django stubs, and I got my pie passing, so that feels good. That feels good. Self.buff.rendered line. Is that goodies? Why? What are you waggling at me? Is that a pickle? Are you waggling a pickle at me? Is that a cuke? What are you waggling at me? It's a cuck? You're waggling a cuck at me? You're cuck waggling? You're cucking me on stream, live on Twitch. I don't think that's how that works. Do you a tip of making quick call if it's UTF-8 or 16 minutes expecting about? No, I just, if it's not UTF-8, you're not supported. I forked it as well because they don't know what they're doing. Forking it to fix it. I mean, I've sent a bunch of patches, but there's a whole bunch of garbage in it. It's the licking of the lips. My lips are chapped. Oh god, I am surrounded by goats in the game. Do you see all those goats? Okay, so this will probably fix it. At least the rendering. Hooray! Renders okay without extra space for BLM. And let's just do save, and then we'll just make sure it round trips. Yeah. Getting CSV reports from an external party works 95% of the time in UTF-8, but sometimes there are characters which are missing the first part and throws it off. For example, the sign Unicode A5. Sounds like I would just feed them through something to make them nicer first, but I would also just tell your third party to stop sending you fucking garbage. XA5? So it's Latin 1 instead of UTF-8. Yeah, you've got good old Latin 1 there. Or CP1252. What is this character? Oh, yeah. It's either Latin 1 or CP1252. This is also known as Windows 1252, which are 1-byte encodings. And almost all of the characters in Latin 1 and CP1252 are the same, except for, let's see, what bytes, range, 256. Oh, there are some that don't exist. So what? OX X81 is some nonsense character? Who fucking knows what that is? 08XD. Also some nonsense character. I think there's 4 bytes, if I remember correctly. OX8D? OX8F as well? Also garbage character. And OX90. Oh, and there's more. Maybe it's 6 characters? 9D? There we go. Yeah, so these 5 bytes are not in CP1252. Ilkarsigum and Eszalek. Eszalek. Thank you both, Valo. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, it's probably CP1252 rather than Latin 1. This is the hex with problems? Yeah, it's probably Windows. Yeah, it's probably Windows. Code page 65001. You read that username pretty well. Oh, well, welcome, Alec. I hope you're doing well. Yeah. BOM. Dash B. Render files that have a byte order marker properly. Question about the onesie. Is it just the onesie? Like, do I have clothes underneath? Are there buttons on it? There are buttons. I'm wearing shorts. If I was wearing a shirt, I would be even more sweaty than I already am. Are you asking if I have a butt plug to go with my onesie? No, I do not. You're asking if I'm dick ass naked underneath. You got on draws. What is a draws? I'm so mad. My heat has turned on a number of times since Saturday. Stupid cold weather. It snowed here today. We got snow today. It didn't stick, but there was snow. God, I did a really dumb thing today. I've missed like the last 3 one-on-ones with my manager. Just one of them was canceled. He had a conflict for the last one. And today, I fucking set a timer because I was like, I've been missing a lot of calendar events recently. I'm gonna set a timer so I don't miss this one. And I fucking set it for 30 minutes off. Manager, director. My manager is my director, so it doesn't really make a difference. 84 degrees today. Damn. We rain here, but it's dark at 5 p.m. It's fucking dark at 5 p.m. here too. So depressing. I'm glad those goats are just staring at me and not attacking me. Stupid ass goats. Yeah, so that fixes the babby thing. I fix one more thing while we're here. This one just because it's annoying. I did want to think about the this one. Yeah. Remove the good first issue. Yeah. I realized how hard it was gonna be. Let's say staff of the manager. It's not unusual. Yeah, I've had higher equivalent or higher level than my manager before, twice. Because staff is usually D1 or D2. And I have had M1 managers or M2 managers before. Sickman says, "Are your parents from Italy?" Nah, I'm a few generations removed. Usually staffs are the manager, but without the ability to fire. Yeah, there we go. Alex says, "Why is this issue hard?" Because the highlighting engine doesn't really have a concept of giving up. So I'd have to teach you how to give up. Which, are you gonna hold me accountable for everyone on the team but not allow me to? Yeah. I mean, I don't actually feel like I'm held accountable for other people. But as long as Anthony doesn't do the stereotypical thing and say he's Italian. I'm like 3/8, so I'm barely Italian. I talk with my hands. I got a Italian ass last name that I've anglicized to bullshit pronunciation. I'm so far from Italian. I'm definitely not. Oh, was that a 6-star? 6-star, yeah. You're 1/4 Kryptonian. Oh, fuck does that mean? Nice book you are, thanks. It works, I guess. Wait, damn, those tests are fast. I don't remember them being that fast. I remember waiting for like 5 minutes. It's only 3 minutes. Pretty good. Okay, so that's one thing. Ah, you're crypto. Oh, I see. Superman. Yeah. I understand. Damn, I fucking laid this out so easily for someone. Went through all the trouble to check the right config exists from the root, and then didn't bother using it. Just literally a 1-line change. And then they didn't actually get it working. Config plus stir. Yeah. Alright, well. We'll do it for them. I'm about to merge a byte order marker. Wait, did I add one to a file? I already merged it. Or are you saying bill of materials? And like, if you'd be so kind, if you could make a Django library that could run tests without the database, I would appreciate it. Dude, fucking you and me both, brother. Fuck Django. Stupid ass library. Alright. Config. Alright, so the actual fix here is do this. And then do config. Just like that. I can probably just do config this. It's less hacky. Oh god. Why did it do that? Literally was that easy. Where's the fucking... Here we go. Stir. Stir CFG. Yeah, that sounds right. Hooray! It's much worse at work. Yeah. Any new interesting pre-commit features coming? I'm in the middle of a rewrite that's gonna take me a year. I want to move around the languages so that they don't take as much disk space. Basically, instead of having a language install per hook or per hook repo, there would be one per language version. So right now, right now, if you install 4 Rust hooks and you don't have Rust installed, there's like 8 gigs of disk space. But under the change, it would be only 2 gigs of disk space, or however fucking much Rust takes. Because Rust is a chunky boy. Use the correct pre-commit config when yeah, just that. Rust requires the entire internet to be installed. It's just that the compiler toolchain is a chunky boy, a big chunky boy. Resolves 256. God, what have I done? I pressed F1 apparently. Once I saw cargo install, I said fuck it. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Cargo install binstall? What is that? Cargo install. Oh, that's kind of cool. I mean, this actually kind of nice. TBH. How does it work? You have to set up your shit. Is it just use GitHub? Oh, it just uses GitHub. Okay, I'm less enthused. I'm less enthused. I thought it was a good idea, and now I think it's less of a good idea. Now it's more of a hack. Because there's no way it checksums the files. Yeah. Jump by word, right goes too far when tabs are involved. Oh, this person had a different handle before. Oh yeah, they did change their name. And then Mars would try to do this too. We didn't get there. Shrugs. Oh well. HDR is coming to Kubuntu. I don't remember what HDR is. Isn't that the fancy monitor thing that someone told me about last stream? I was wondering why unit test fails, forgot a 0? That would do it. Oh yeah, you told me about it. Yeah. No, this is gonna happen. This needs a rewrite of the curses part. Make it async? It's probably not gonna happen. It's probably not gonna happen. I don't think async actually improves things. It certainly makes it a lot harder to understand what the fuck's going on. Like if it were to be async, I would have to rewrite a lot of the assumptions. But sleepy time for me. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you again. Yeah. Oh, today might be a shorter stream because I'm feeling demotivated. The big L from after doing some math made me a little disappointed. But what math? So the shiny script that's going down there, it sees an encounter about once every 2 minutes, and to get an encounter that I want, it's about a 1 in 36, and the overall shiny rate for that encounter is 1 in 4103. And so this is the expected value to encounter one shiny when I have a certain number of targets. When I don't have that many targets, the number gets way worse. There are 538 possibilities. And the expected value to get the last shiny that I want is 1 in 8 years of constantly running execution. And even if I run this on all 4 switches that I own, it's still 1 in 2 years. So it's just not gonna fucking happen. It's just so extremely unlikely. Just run it and forget it. That's the other problem is the switch, if you restart a game too many times or date switch too many times, the switch dies. So I need to fucking babysit this. So it's just not gonna happen. I'll just hope that they make other methods that are easier to encounter shiny. But yeah, it's pretty bad. But what are you gonna do? In theory, I could improve this number by some amount. But even if I got it down to like 30 seconds, which I think is probably the minimum that could be possible, by pathing to raid crystals, like even at 30 seconds, is still a very large number. Still an insanely large number. So a little demotivating, but that's the way things go. Okay, did I merge that? I'll click on this new button that I learned about. Yeah, I did merge that. Cool. Bump. This is a feature. It's kind of 2 bug fixes. I'll just say it's a patch. Not a feature? Yeah. Fixes for predicament, fixes for byte order marker. Fuck it up, I'm going to Bitbucket? That'd certainly be a choice. Yeah, but sorry for the short stream today. I'm just bummed. I'm just bummed about things. Oh! The commenter's here. Hello, hello. Yeah, I don't have a I don't have a good a song command here, but I do have a playlist. We rated the commenter recently. There you go. There's a shout out. Twitch streamer. It's the wee hours of the morning there. In New Zealand. But yeah, I don't know. I'm a little bummed. So, oh, 1 p.m. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Oh, right, because the other way. Yeah. But, sorry to say hello and goodbye. I'm just, yeah, I'm uninspired today. I'm demotivated. You're from the future. You're a time traveler, yeah. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let me do my little spiel, and then I don't know, maybe I'll be more inspired on Saturday or whenever I stream next. Yeah, this song is pretty sad too. So it's like it's a good appropriate music. But anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload. Oh, there's DST. Fucking kill me. Yeah, I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So check that out. Oh, I get an extra hour of sleep. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll be okay with it then. I don't upload my VODs to Twitch anymore because it's DMCA shenanigans and I'm too lazy to do the split channels. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. So check that out. Thank you, DDoS, for the links there. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.